What's the meaning of circumvention? Circumvention. Circumvention.
Circumvention. Circumvention. Circumvention refers to the act of finding a way around a rule, law, or obstacle. The result of circumventing can vary. It may lead to successfully achieving one's goals or desires, or it may result in negative consequences as a result of breaking rules or laws. In some cases, circumventing may be seen as a form of innovation and creativity, but in others, it may be viewed as unethical or illegal. Ultimately, the outcome of circumventing depends on the specific situation and the motives behind the act.